All right, you guys, this is Marcel. This is the Amtrak California Zephyr number 6 on its way to Chicago. P4261 leaves and 151 is tailing in the back. Amtrak California Zephyr number 6 on its way to Chicago, eastbound. All right, have a safe trip on the California Zephyr. All right, he's diverging to main number 1, to track number 1. All right, folks, look at that train on its way to Chicago. This train is diverging over to main 1. I'm Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching. Have a good Tuesday.